Everybody knows that campfire story. So listen to me closely. There's 4 victims that I know are dead. And there's 6 victims I know in total.